Hi everyone, welcome back to GeneWorks. Today, Upgrade Assist. Upgrades are the job nobody looks forward to. Once or twice a year, ServiceNow ships a new release, and every release brings change. APIs get deprecated, features get rebuilt with new components underneath them, which means end-to-end testing across every active application, every time. That's what makes upgrades a 2-month exercise. This is the Upgrade Assist home screen. Click New Analysis. Choose where you want to go. In this case, Australia. It already knows where you are. Zurich, along with your detected patch level. Start the analysis, and the scan runs against your instance. Findings come back grouped, and blockers come first, organized by application. 7 blockers here, across 7 applications. Let's open the one on the Configuration Management database. It expands into exactly what's changing in Australia and what that change means for you. And here's the part worth pausing on. That analysis comes from ServiceNow's own release documentation, a 2,000-page PDF. Nobody on your team has to read it. Nobody has to remember it. Next, affected items, 41 of them, again grouped by application, each one open to detail. Then could not verify. These are the honest ones. The system doesn't have access to the table, or API access isn't available, or it simply can't confirm the outcome. We tell you that rather than guess. Manual review items are listed separately. And informational items, 533 here, are pure FYI. Read them if you want to, ignore them if you don't. Findings and fixes brings it together. Every blocker, every affected item in one working list. 50 items. Expand any one and you see what's breaking and exactly where. Then click Fix with Gene. That hands the item into the SDLC automation, the same loop you've seen in the other videos, and deploys the change to your instance. Run the scan again to verify, and this list is down to 49. That's the rhythm. Fix, rescan, confirm, item by item until the list is clear. Scan coverage shows the reach. 900 plus plugins, 200 plus applications, 300 plus tables, with the full breakdown underneath. An analysis history keeps every run you've done, completed, or failed with the log behind each. An upgrade cycle that normally takes 2 months compresses into weeks because the technical analysis is done before you start. That's Upgrade Assist. Thanks for your time.